Okay, so ituloy po natin mga Skywatchers. So ito po yung ating topic for tonight. What would happen if the moon disappeared? Kasi may nagtanong sa akin before, nag-live din ako. So ano daw ang mangyayari pag wala na po yung buwan? No, like if you are aware of a TV series, may TV series during the 80s, it's called Space 1999. So please comment down below if you know the TV series Space 1999. So ang nangyari dyan sa TV series na yan, there was a nuclear explosion sa buwan. May ano doon sa buwan, may lunar base. So may lunar base, ang tawag doon ay Moon Base Alpha. Yun yung ano sa yung plot ng TV series. Then yung Moon Base Alpha, it was powered by a nuclear reactor. Pero unfortunately, there was an explosion dun sa nuclear reactor ng Moon Base Alpha. The explosion was so strong that it has enough energy to pull the moon out of its orbit. So in other words, mga ka-Skywatchers, naalis yung buwan sa orbit niya around the Earth. So the moon now is traveling away from the Earth kasi nga dun sa nuclear explosion na yan. So parang ganyan. So pag nawala yung buwan, ano nga mangyayari sa atin? Now what would happen if the moon disappeared? Okay, so ayan po yung ating pag-uusapan ngayon. Sabi ni Shai, I think I read somewhere that they are really planning to do that like for real. Opo, yung especially yung establishment of lunar bases. So yun ang pag-uusapan po natin mamaya, no? Just like Moon Base Alpha of Space 1999. So sabi ni, nandito pala si ABCD. Yeah, hello Sir Professor June. Okay, marami pong salamat ABCD for visiting our live stream. Okay, so siguro pag-usapan ngayon natin to, what would happen if the moon disappeared? One effect, if the moon disappeared, one effect would be catastrophic for us. There would be catastrophic consequences here on Earth, especially for life here on Earth. So ano ba itong mga catastrophic consequences na mangyayari if the moon would disappear? Just like in the TV series Space 1999. Okay, so one catastrophic consequence is that there would be unstable season sa atin. Ang buwan kasi, mga ka-Skywatchers, the moon's gravity stabilizes the Earth's tilt. Diba? So alam na natin yung tilt ng Earth. The Earth is tilted on its axis at around 23.5 degrees, from the vertical. So the Earth's axis is tilted at 23.5 degrees. And because of this tilting of the Earth's axis, the Earth experiences seasonal changes. Kaya meron tayong winter, spring, summer, and fall because of the tilt of the Earth's axis. Pero dito sa Pilipinas, diba, baka may magtanong sa inyo, bakit wala tayong winter? Diba? Wala din tayong spring, di ba? Ganon. Unlike in other countries like the US and many parts of Europe. Kasi po ang Pilipinas, our weather system is governed by the monsoon winds. Yung habagat and the amihan, during the months of November up to February, yung Pasko. Ayan, so yung weather system natin sa Pilipinas is governed by the monsoon winds. Pero in other countries like the US, meron silang 4 seasons. And that is due to the tilt of the Earth's axis, which is 23.5 degrees. Kunyari nawala yung buwan. Okay, so the Earth's tilt would increase by 45 degrees. Wala na kasing magi-stabilize ng Earth's axis. Kung nawala yung buwan, so yung Earth's tilt would increase to 45 degrees. So biruin niyo yun, parang nakahiga na po yung mundo natin. O biruin mo from 23 magiging 45. So that means yung North Pole or even yung South Pole haharap sa araw. So pag ganyan, pag nag-increase yung tilt natin from 23.5 to 45 degrees, this would cause the planet to spin on its side. So parang hihiga ngayon yung planeta natin. So yung mga poles haharap ngayon sa araw. O diba? So matutunaw yung North Pole, yung ice dyan sa North Pole. Now this would make the poles scorching hot, and yung equator naman nandito ngayon sa baba. So yung equator ngayon yung magiging malamig. So there would be a change in the weather, no, pag nawala yung buwan. Oh, yun po yung isang catastrophic consequence pag nawala ang buwan. Sige, so tuloy natin mga ka-Sky Watchers. So that's one catastrophic consequence if the moon would disappear. So there would be unstable seasons. Yung tilt ng Earth's axis would change from 23.5 to 45 degrees. So that means yung poles haharap sa sun. So matutunaw yung ice, di ba ho? And yung yung equator nasa baba, so lalamig naman sa equator. So that's one catastrophic consequence, and that would affect life on Earth. Okay, so there mga ka-Sky Watchers, so the moon is very important in stabilizing the Earth's tilt. No, by 23.5 degrees, the moon holds the Earth's axis to 23.5 degrees tilt steady. So without the moon, the planet will begin to tremble, and it will result in dramatic and drastic climatic change. No, it could range from no seasons to extreme seasons. So, di ba kasi yung North Pole haharap na sa sun, or yung South Pole haharap sa sun. Yung equator naman siya yung lalamig. So, that's one catastrophic consequence if the moon would disappear. Okay. So ayan guys, so ito yung tilt ng ating Earth's axis, so 23.5 degrees. So pag nawala yung buwan, yung axis na to magiging 45 degrees. So dito ngayon siya, parang nakahiga ngayon yung mundo natin. So that means yung North Pole haharap yan sa araw, no? And that would affect the weather. Yung equator naman bababa, so siya naman yung magiging malamig. Alright? So that's one consequence if the moon would disappear. Okay? Ayan ha. So clear po tayo mga ka-Sky Watchers. Okay. So if the moon disappeared, it would also disrupt the tides. Yan, may nagsabi kanina maapektuhan yung tides. Oh, totoo yun. No, if the moon disappeared, it would affect the tides. So there would be disrupted tides. Okay, so anong ibig sabihin na ito? If the moon's gravity is responsible for most of the Earth's tides, di ba? So without it, ito yung di ba, nandyan yung buwan. So it's the gravitational attraction of the moon that creates the tides. So it is the gravitational influence of the moon that causes the tides. And can you imagine pag nawala yung buwan? So pag nawala yung buwan, edi wala ng tides. Now without it, the tides would shrink about 75%. And this would endanger coastal ecosystems. So can you imagine pag nawala yung tides, edi ma-expose yung mga yung mga hayop, no, na nasa coastal areas, like yung mga crabs o yung mga echinoderms, yung mga starfish. So pag na-expose siya, nawala yung tubig, nag-low tide, edi baka maraming mamamatay na marine creatures. Ayan, no? Sabi ni Shai, madisrupt po yung tidal cycle pag nawala ang ating moon. Totoo yan, Shai, oo. So pag nawala yung buwan, edi maapektuhan yung tides. So mawawala yung tides by about 75%. So yung mga nakatira sa intercoastal areas, di mawawala yung tubig doon, yung tubig dagat, hindi ma-expose sila. No? And eventually, pag na-expose yan, mamamatay sila. Like yung mga starfish, yung mga echinoderms, nasa sila, intertidal zone na tinatawag natin sa ecology, na intertidal zone. So pag nawala yung tides, hindi expose sila, so mamamatay yung mga yan. So, and because pag nangyari yan, maraming mamamatay na coastal marine creatures. So, ang susunod na consequence niyan would be the extinction of sea creatures. 'Di ba? So, the loss of tides would impact yung coastal ecosystems and potentially leading to the extinction of sea creatures. Yung sinasabi ko kanina, like crabs, mussels, tahong, and starfish. So can you imagine guys, ito may tubig ngayon, no, high tide. So can you imagine pag nawala yung buwan, no? Pag nawala yung buwan, edi walang tide, so bababa ngayon yung tubig. So ma-expose yung mga sea creatures dyan sa intertidal zone, like yung mga crabs, yung mga tahong, yung mga starfish. They needed water to survive. Wala nang tide, so nawala yung tubig sa coastal area. So mamamatay sila and many marine creatures would be extinct. So that's one catastrophic consequence pag nawala yung buwan. So the loss of tides would impact ecosystems along the coastlines. Kasi mawawala yung tubig, ma-expose sila, and this would lead to the extinction of many sea creatures along the coastal areas like crabs, mussels, starfish, sea urchins, even yung mga corals na nasa intertidal zone. Alright? So there mga ka-sky watchers. Alright, so thank you Shy. Important po yung waves sa mga marine life. Oo, na nagre-rely sa waves. Tama po ba? Oo, totoo yan. So yung waves influences yung survival ng mga creatures along the coastal areas. So another catastrophic consequence if the moon disappeared, no? Would be what? Ito, dark nights. So can you imagine mga ka-sky watchers kung walang buwan? Diba? We would have dark nights. So can you imagine pag wala pa yung buwan? Without the moon to light up the night, every night would be as dark as a new moon. Diba pag new moon, the moon is not visible? So can you imagine wala kayong makikitang buwan? So wala, magiging madilim yung ating yung gabi, walang moon, lalo na pag full moon, 'di ba? Pag full moon, maliwanag, 'di ba? Sinabi na nga ni Juan Carlos 'yan, 'di ba? Sa liwanag ng buwan, no, 'di ba? All right. Sabi ni Shy naman, also our moon helps us appreciate night. Ayan, there is beauty in darkness also. Nga, pero 'di ba, syempre mas maganda pag nandun yung buwan, 'di ba, no? Mas romantic. 'Di ba, Shy? 'Di ba? Lalo na pag kasama mo yung jowa mo. Yahoo! 'Di ba? Alright, thank you Shy for your insight. Okay, so let's move on. Sige, maraming salamat Name. Thank you for liking our live. So, pag nawala po yung buwan, edi magkakaroon tayo ng mga dark nights, no? This would impact predators also, the ability to hunt, kasi may mga predators na that rely on the moon, no, yung ilaw ng buwan. So, pag nawala yung buwan, edi maapektuhan yung predatory activities ng ibang mga hayop, yung ability to hunt pag may buwan ay apektado. Alright? Okay. So sabi ni Messier 21, also the moon gives a degree of protection against meteor bombardment. So nga, kaya 'di ba? Parang ang nangyayari diyan mga ka-sky watchers, sinasalo ng buwan yung mga asteroids or meteorite impacts. Kaya nga mas marami ang impact events sa buwan compared to Earth, kasi yung buwan sinasalo niya. Alright? So yan, may protection tayo from meteor and asteroid bombardments. Okay. So there mga ka-sky watchers and mga ka-spacers. Alright. So can you imagine, no? Pag wala yung buwan. Ayan. So magiging madilim po yung ating gabi. So there mga ka-sky watchers. Okay, other effects pag nawala yung buwan sa atin. So that would include days would pass more quickly kasi apektado rin yung rotation ng Earth natin. the Earth's axis would wobble erratically kasi wala na ngang magbibigay ng stability. Diba sinabi natin that the moon stabilizes the tilt of the Earth's axis. So pag nawala yung buwan, magiging unstable na yung Earth's axis and the Earth would wobble erratically. And ito pa mga ka-Sky Watchers, so ang lunar calendar which plays a role in religious celebration would no longer exist kasi nawala yung buwan. Diba? And the best example of this is yung Ramadan. 'Di ba? So yung date ng Ramadan will depend, yung start pala ng Ramadan, no? The start of Ramadan will depend dun sa crescent moon. 'Di ba? Yung appearance ng crescent moon. Kaya yung ating mga Muslim brothers, yan nagse-set up sila ng telescope para makita nila yung crescent moon, so that would be the indication of the start of the Ramadan. Okay, so yun ang ginagawa ng ating mga Muslim brothers. So can you imagine if wala yung buwan? E di wala ding Ramadan, di ba? Paano nila masaselebrate yung Ramadan kung walang buwan, di ba? And eto pa, Easter, mga ka-Sky Watchers. No, the celebration of Easter will depend on the first full moon of spring, no, as determined by the astronomically survey Roman Catholic Church. Ayan, no? So yung date ng Easter will depend on the first moon of spring. Kaya 'di ba paiba-iba yung yung date ng Holy Week kasi it will all depend on yung lunar calendar, especially yung full moon. Ayan, yung pagkabuhay ni Jesus. So can you imagine pag walang buwan? How can they establish yung dates ng Holy Week? O, diba? So even sa Ramadan, diba? How would they start Ramadan kung wala silang makitang crescent moon? So ayan guys, yung mga epekto pag wala yung buwan.